Hello, namaste. It's Kamal from siteground.com. Today we are going to learn how to start a brand new website from scratch. Let's get it on started. So step number one, we need is a domain name for your site. So domain name is a name for your website like www.yourwebsitename.com. So you can check the availability of your domain name going to namecheap.com or any other registrars like godaddy.com or crazydomains.com. You can just choose any domain registrars as you want. In this case, I have a Namecheap account, so I can source domain name from namecheap.com and then see if that any domain name any is available and then register it from there, or or I can choose any other domain providers. So I can choose my website name something and search for it and then register for the .com. We want .com domain name to be available, you know, because .com is the number one top level domain, so we want it to be registered for our business. So the other thing, step two, is we need a web hosting. So web hosting is a service, is a platform where your website file sits on. So in this case, I recommend hosting from either SiteGround or Kinsta. So SiteGround managed WordPress hosting. So you can go here and get any of these plans. Like if you need one website, so you can pick starter plan. If you need two websites, a Grow Big plan. If you need like 5 websites, you can go for Go Big plan. So yeah, if you have only one website, then you can go for a starter plan. So get this plan and then just get this plan for the year or so, and after that what you need to do is connect your domain to hosting. So if you purchased a domain from one registrar and you're hosting from different company, then you need to connect the domain and hosting. So you need to do this by connecting the adding the name servers of web hosting company to the domain name. For example, if my domains, for example, if my domain is, for example, okay, my siteguruji.com. So if I need to go to manage that domain name. So I can manage that domain name, and then here I need to put name servers. In the name server section, I have put the SiteGround hosting name server. So I can find the hosting name server. After I register for the hosting, it will display a name server for the name server of your server. So you can put that name servers, two name server, ns1 and ns2 name servers, in the name server section of your domain name. So that way you can connect that domain name to the SiteGround hosting. So after that, after connecting your domain to hosting, so now your domain finally gets live, like my siteguruji.com. Like you can see, this website is live. So because I have taken the because the domain name and the web hosting are now connected, and then and now finally you can install WordPress. So after you go to the SiteGround, now you can go here and then you can see, you can just when you select your hosting. When you select your hosting, you can just, there is a process, like you can select, like you can select continue, continue. So here it will ask start a new website, install a new application. We can directly install WordPress from here, or WooCommerce. If you want a shopping site, you can install WordPress plus WooCommerce, or simply you can build a Weebly site by selecting a Weebly site builder. So in this case, let's select WordPress, and we can choose, you can select for the logins, and then continue, finish. And it takes less than 2 minutes to complete the website creation. And as soon as it creates the website, we can so modify the website. We can change customize the website, and you can just start putting some content into the website so that it's out there to the public to see. So we are still waiting for the site to be created. So it will take some time, and then we can start customizing the websites, like selecting designs like themes, plugins, and then we can just have a brand new website ready. So still we are now, as you can see, the website with domain siteground.com has been created. This I have done just for this video purpose. I have added the double I in there. So point your domain. Now this website has been created in the siteground hosting. Now we need to point that domain to this name servers, as I have shown previously. We need to put here those name servers, we need to put there, and then we can now go to manage site, and then start managing this site. So let's go to manage site. That way we can go there and then manage our sites. And then after you in the process, it will ask for the theme, and then you can just select the theme, and then just click OK, and then you can go from there. And after that, you can customize your site. For example, we have our site guru site, this one. Just we need to log in siteguruc.com /wp admin. So this is the internet is so slow, sorry about that. So after you just you need to log into your website. You can log into your website, and then you can customize. So after you log into the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, so you can see WordPress starter available. So you can just this is only available to SiteGround hosting. So this WordPress starter is available to SiteGround hosting. So just you can just click on the start now, and you can just select design and functionality just with the click of the button. So start now. So here in this section, so you can select any fancy design. So currently this is the default 2021 theme, so we can select any of these beautiful themes that are already out there. Just we can select any of those, and then for example if I select freelancer, select that one, and after that it recommends useful functionality, like if I want any contact form, if I want shop, if I want map, I can select that. If I want gallery, I can select that. And then currently I just want I don't want any contact form, I don't want nothing, so just I click continue. And then if I want Google Analytics, yes I want. If I want optimized for SEO, free plugin by use SEO, yes I want that. If I want grow subscribe, if I want this plugin opt-in monster, no I don't want that. And if I want any other stuffs, I can click that one. In this case I select those, and then let's complete. So after installing these required plugins and themes, your site will be just ready, and it will just look like fantastic. It will be just up and ready to go, and you can just shout out to people about your website, give your website address, and then you can start your online business. You can start blogging, you can start providing the services that you have mentioned in your website to people. So it's doing. So after customize your site, we do SEO, that is done by used SEO plugin that we have installed already, and then I will teach the SEO. That's a big lesson in itself. Then you can learn SEO if you're watching my other videos, and you can learn everything about SEO out there. And the step 8, you can do blogging from your website, WordPress website. So that's a no-brainer. You can start posting a post, and then that's what blogging is. And you can just integrate social media and give links to all social media accounts. And finally, you have to do update and maintenance of your WordPress account. So let's view the site. So I have customized the site. The site will look now like this, so that site is now like this. So that's site Guruji now. So if you go to blog, oh, beautiful. Okay. So that's our site now. That's the brand new site. Site is ready to go. Site is up. It looks fantastic. So that's it. That's it. And there is the website. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, just comment on the video or go to siteguruji.com and then just contact me from there, and then we can go from there. Whatever issue you have in any website, just I can just be of help. Just let me know. Thumbs up, guys. Please like this video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more videos. So just right after I publish it. Just thanks for watching this video. Thanks, guys. See you later. Namaste.